All right, guys, welcome. So we got a problem, and we got to solve it today. So the problem is the John boat trailer looks like poo poo. So you know what that means? We're gonna fix it. So first thing we gotta do is pull the John boat off of the trailer. I got some measurements already, so we can we gotta figure out how wide it is, so we can fix them so they quit going everywhere. Then we have some other things that I want to do because we have problems with. So the boat ramps that we go to have ramps. We want to go some places that don't have ramps, so we have to do other things to get it off. Well, I'm by myself. I can't get it off by myself. So if you guys stay tuned, I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do. We'll catch you guys in a minute. All right, so we got everything off. Everything that we don't need off of it. So now we're gonna jack it up, get the power washing, and get these tires off, and get it power washed. I already said that 1,000 times. Sorry for the wind noise, but get you guys in first. All right, so we got everything off. We got all the lights off. We got the tires off now. They're right here. We're gonna get this one changed so they're all full matching. Time to power wash it. So you guys stay tuned. Catch you guys in a flash. All right, so now we got it all power washed, painted, power washed. We can start figuring out what we're doing with this sucker. So first we gotta fix this. Make it straight again, tack it back into place. Then we gotta figure out this right here. We're gonna put something here that's gonna help us. Then we're gonna put something here that's gonna help us.
You need more help than they can give you.
Yes, I know, but.
And somehow you manage not to.
Alright, so we straighten this up. It's all straight now. All straight. We do gotta measure for where the 4x4s are gonna go, because they gotta be measured. So we're gonna actually do something different than what we did last time. Last time we put some wire wrap up and screwed it down. Did not work, so we're gonna drill a hole through here and put a screw straight through. That way we don't have to worry about it. But the problem that I'm having is where I want to take the John boat, there is not boat ramps. I had to think of what it was called. No boat ramps. So, as long as my theory is correct, which probably not, but if it is, we have this up here. Put a winch here. Run the winch through the cherry picker with pulleys right here, so I can pull it out, turn it, so we can pull from the side, pull it out, pull it from this side, so we can pull this side, or have it straight so we can just pull right behind us. Because the next video, we're gonna go somewhere fun where no one else has ever took a John boat. That's right, we're going deep in the hood. But we gotta get the trailer fixed first. So, yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna try to do some measurements in my head, measurements on the trailer, see if I can figure it out. Got you guys all in a flash. All right, so we got it planned out. Now we gotta go weld it. But I ain't welding it, so you guys are gonna have to wait for the next one to watch that get welded. But now we have to come up here, we're gonna put a cross member right here, help it. That way we can put these here. That way the front of the John boat can go right up against it. And it can sit there. It'll be a little bit safer than having them on the sides instead of on the front. If you guys remember, should remember, but you get a tube for that. And we'll have to weld that in, but I'm not welding it because I don't want to weld. But we're already going to get it halfway painted today. Hopefully. Hey, can you calm down, Terry? Thank you. Anyways, we'll get halfway painted today. Then we'll have to get all that welded up. We got to work on the truck. The truck is broke, so we got to work on that. So, you guys stay tuned. Alright, so we got that welded. It's basically going to be like right there. But it's going to be up all the way up here. Just so it's flush. How it's flush against here. Which that means, you know, we'll have some support up front. That way we can pull the John boat right up to it and he'll sit there. And he won't get jarred forward as much. It'll be a set spot. Quit tearing up the John boat. So we gotta go get carpet. So hopefully we can go get that real quick. And we'll start painting. So you guys stay tuned. Catch you guys. Just giving you guys updates here and there. Don't have a cameraman still. But keep giving you updates, so you guys stay tuned. Catch you guys in a minute. Alright, so we got the paint. We got a paintbrush. We're going to get to it. Hopefully we can get this done here shortly. Catch you guys in a flash. You guys in a flash. You guys in a flash for me. Several hours. Alright, so we got majority of it painted. I guess it's... There we go. We got majority of it painted. We didn't paint the stuff that we got to weld. So we're going to have to... First, we ran out of paint. We're going to have to get more paint. And all this is going to... Up here is going to get welded. So, I'm out. Dang it. So, that being said, it's a little video. Probably ain't much. But we're so close to 2,000 subscribers. So, go hit that like button. Go subscribe. Subscribing is free. Come on, help me out. We made it so far. Made it from a couple subscribers to 2K. Appreciate you, all of y'all. And stay tuned, because where we take this John boat, you guys want to see this. Catch you guys on that flash.